Hey everyone, what's up and welcome to CARSLIFE Canada. Now, if you're anything like me, you love cars. But let's face it, owning a car, especially here in Canada, can be expensive. That's why today, I'm sharing 14 simple tips to help you save money on car maintenance. These are things you can easily do yourself, and they can make a big difference in the long run. So, whether you're cruising the streets of Toronto, navigating the mountains of BC, or braving the winters in Montreal, these tips will help you keep your car running smoothly without breaking the bank. You ever been stuck on the side of the road with a flat, and to make matters worse, your spare tire is flat too? Don't let that happen to you. This one's a no-brainer, folks. Engine oil is like the lifeblood of your car. Skipping oil changes is like refusing to change your own blood. Just like you need to stay hydrated, your car needs its fluids too. We're talking brake fluid, power steering fluid, windshield washer fluid, transmission fluid, the works. Chapter 4. Coolant check. Coolant, also known as antifreeze, is crucial for regulating your engine temperature, especially during those harsh Canadian winters. Chapter 5. Brake pad inspection. Hear that annoying squeaking sound when you brake? Yeah, that's your brake pad screaming for help. Chapter 6. Battery care. Your car battery is like the heart of your car's electrical system. Over time, corrosive buildup can form on the battery terminals, affecting its performance. Chapter 7. Ever hit a pothole and felt like your car was going to fall apart? That's your suspension system working overtime. Chapter 8. Think of your car's air filter as its lungs. A clogged air filter restricts airflow to the engine, reducing performance and fuel efficiency. Chapter 9. Good visibility is crucial for safe driving, especially during those snowy Canadian winters. Rotating your tires regularly ensures even wear and tear, extending their lifespan and saving you money on premature replacements. Spark plugs ignite the fuel in your engine, making it run. Worn-out spark plugs can lead to misfires, reduced power, and poor fuel economy. Those belts and hoses under your hood might not seem like much, but they play a vital role in keeping your engine running smoothly. This one's a no-brainer, folks. Make sure all your lights are in working order. Headlights, taillights, brake lights, turn signals, the whole shebang. Those pesky paint scratches aren't just an eyesore. They can lead to rust, which can spread and cause serious damage to your car's body. So, there you have it, folks. 14 simple yet effective tips to help you save money on car maintenance. Remember, a little preventative maintenance goes a long way. By staying on top of these things, you can avoid those costly repairs down the road and keep your car running smoothly for years to come. And hey, who doesn't love saving a few bucks? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to CARSLIFE Canada for more car tips, reviews and adventures. Until next time, keep on cruising.